everybody, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am here with another hair video for y'all, and of course I'm in quarantine. Everybody knows what's going on. I'm not finna reiterate it. I'm not gonna talk about it. It's all over the news, it's all over social media. I ain't even finna go there with Miss Rona. We're not talking about her anyway. So today I'm going to basically be showing y'all my new wash and go routine. Yes, finally your girl has mastered the art of the wash and go. I remember a long time ago, I thought I couldn't do wash and goes. I thought my hair texture ain't good enough for no wash and go. I can't do no wash and goes. That ain't gonna look right. No, I can post like my pictures somewhere here. I can show y'all of my wash and goes, how they've been turning out, how good they've been looking. So I finally mastered the art. And as you can see, my hair is in twists. I already put in my leave-in conditioner and my cream, my moisturizing products and everything. Give this video a big thumbs up if y'all want to see how I prep my hair, maybe as far as wash day and how I actually prep my hair to get it to look like this before I apply like my gels and stuff like that. So yeah, but before we get into this video, make sure y'all go right down to that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave me some comments, give me some suggestions for videos y'all want to see, all that good stuff. And thank y'all so much for 130, I think I'm at 139 subscribers so far, slowly creeping up there. I really appreciate all of y'all. And for all of my new people who watching me for the first time, welcome, welcome. Please stick around. You are in for a treat. All right, y'all, I'm about to start this hair video. Quick thing. All right, so before we start this video, what I'm gonna start doing for my hair videos and when I start showing y'all what I'm doing, because when I do voiceovers, I'm usually listening to music behind the scenes. So this time around, we are listening to The Weeknd's new album, After Hours. If anybody knows me and knows me well, they know that I am a The Weeknd fan. I am a fan girl. Not even gonna lie to y'all about that. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna be listening to today. My little speaker, it's like behind me somewhere. My studio ain't together. I haven't done anything with it yet. I still have to order a few things for my studio, like a new light and a backdrop. Once we get that all together, I'll be in my studio. So please don't mind me. Just deal with my little setup for right now. Okay, so I'm gonna start my music and I'm about to start my hair and I'll just basically be doing my voiceover. Peace. All right, y'all, time to get started. So I already have my hair clipped up, and for today's gel, I'm using the Cantu Shea Butter Maximum Hold Moisture Retention Styling Gel. You've seen me do a video with this before, so no need to explain more about that. I'll actually link the video somewhere in the cards at the top. So basically how I do my wash and goes is I keep my hair in twists to make it a little bit easier to work section by section. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of gel, put it in my hands, and then I'm just gonna rub it onto the section. I'm not raking my gel in, I'm not doing any of that. I'm literally just smoothing it onto my hair so that way my curls can remain clumped together. Because when I noticed that whenever I raked my product through my hair, my wash and goes always came out frizzy and they didn't come out right. So yeah, for now, just take each section of each twist. You know how you have the 2-strand twist? I take one twist, take the gel and smooth it, and then I take the other part down of the twist. And then I'm gonna take gel again, and then I'm gonna smooth that as well. I don't rake, I don't do anything but prayer hands and just smoothing the hair out, and then I don't do anything else to it. So yeah, go ahead and watch me do this with the rest of the video, and I will see you guys when my hair is dry. Alrighty, so I am done with my entire head. As you can see, my curls are extremely defined and extremely clumped together. So now you're gonna see me just kind of scrunching my hair, not really scrunching, but kind of just giving the curls a little bit of a boost. And as you can see, like I'm taking a little bit more gel and kind of smoothing the front of my hair down, because the front of my hair has a completely different texture than the rest of my hair does. So I got to treat her a little different than the rest, but that's okay. So yeah, now that that's all done, I'm going to just let my hair air dry, and then I'm going to go to bed or whatever the case may be. It's gonna take a little while. So yeah, I'll just see y'all tomorrow when my hair is dry. All right, y'all, it's the next day and I'm ready to take my bonnet off and see my hair. Don't mind me, I'm just looking at myself because my makeup was cute.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Okay, I know this is bad, but we gonna fix this. So we starting with the Aussie Miracle Moist Intense Hydration Oil with jojoba oil and avocado oil. Girl, I couldn't even get it out. I'm gonna rub it in my hands, and then I'm gonna just take it and put it all through my hair, and I'm gonna scrunch out the crunch because I may have put just a little bit too much gel in certain sections. So yeah, I gotta get that crunch out. So I'm gonna just run my hands through my hair and just kind of squeeze it and get the oils on it and just kind of loosen up some of those curls so that way they won't be so crunchy and stuck together. Now here you're gonna see me pulling apart some of my curls. Like I said, the method that I do to do my wash and goes makes my hair super duper clump. Like I have some really huge pieces in my hair. So what I'm doing now is, with all the oil still on my hands, I'm gonna find those pieces throughout my wash and go, and I'm gonna just start pulling them apart, similar to how people would normally do it with either a braid out or a twist out, but only this is a wash and go instead. So yeah, just being really gentle. Well, not so gentle because I'm kind of heavy handed, so, but that's fine. So I'm gonna just go ahead and finish doing this, and you'll see me go throughout my whole head, taking these pieces and pulling them apart to make my wash and go look fuller. So now that I'm done pretty much fluffing my hair up, I'm gonna take my handy dandy pick, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just pick out my roots and just kind of make my hair a little bit more fluffy and give it that little extra volume. And with that, we have the conclusion of this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments below if you tried my little quick wash and go tip, and let me know if it helped y'all's wash and goes. And also give me some more tips down in the comments below. Share your knowledge, share your gems. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next one. See y'all.